I am currently short in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading starting here top down. I'm actually short in Bitcoin in two positions. One is a swing position, the other is a day trade position. Actually, let me update this 5-minute chart here. Okay. So here again on the daily chart, we can see sell side delivery coming in here on Bitcoin. Then there's a wick here in this candle that wicks below the previous candle. That would give me a long bias here. And then with that, you can see price delivered here to the buy side, and it's just been in a consolidation area here. And then if I come in a little closer, you can see why my current bias is to the sell side. So this candle here, this candle the day after wicks above the high of that candle, but then closes below that candle's high. So with that wick, that triggers a short trade for me, or at least a short bias. And then you have the day that wicked through the previous day. This high is put in, but the next day the high never reaches that high. So even though the low here trades below it, I'm still looking at the highs to give me an indication of whether or not my short drawn or my sell side drawn liquidity or my short overall trade idea is still intact. And then now we have yesterday, which again has closed below the two previous days, and today has failed to trade above it. So my bias is still currently to the short side, so I would only be looking for short positions here on Bitcoin. If I back up here on the 1 hour chart, here you can see this is my swing trade. This is the trade that I have that's going to be on likely for the week, and this trade is based off of this bearish fair value gap right here on the daily chart. So here on the daily chart, the low of this candle, we'll call it candle 1, and the high of this candle, we'll call this candle 2. There's a gap that is there where there are orders that are to the sell side that have yet to be filled, and price traded into that with this candle here, with this wick right here. Price traded into this bearish fair value gap or a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and since then price has been returning to the sell side. This is internal range liquidity right here, and my target is external range liquidity, which is this swing low right here. So this is my profit target for this trade here on the weekly. And again, I took this trade here, and then the equivalent to that position on the 1 hour chart is right here. Since then, I've taken a short trade here, and then trader error here, got stopped out here, took a short here, and able to take profits here this morning during the New York AM session. And currently in this short position here that you can see on the 1 hour chart. So the price action here, price had been delivering to the sell side here, putting in a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher low, sweeps out, and then lower low, higher high, higher low here, and now we've got this price action consolidating right here. And then you can see here on the 5-minute chart, you can see this buy side delivery here. We get that low. This is where I take profits from that short position, and you can see price delivering to the buy side, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and now here we get the market structure shift here to the sell side on the 5-minute. This is price pulling back here to the market structure shift level right here, and then price returning here to the sell side. So on the 5-minute chart, my entry here was a little late. I took my eye off of this. I took my eye off of Bitcoin and thought I had almost missed my target. But my entry was actually supposed to be here at the body of this candle. This is where there is a change in the state of delivery, and a bearish order block is formed here. So this would be the bearish order block right here. This is my bearish order block candle right here. So I would use this as a stop loss. So my stop loss is currently just above this high, and then I'm targeting the opposing range here. So my target is set up here. If we come over here to the 1-hour chart, so my current range here is this high here. Actually, there's a new swing high here. I need to update this chart, and then there's a swing low down here. So this was swept, or the liquidity, there's buy side liquidity resting up here. This has been taken out, and then I'm trading for a return from this external range liquidity back down to this external range liquidity right here. So there are no fair value gaps, or there's no internal range liquidity, so I'm just trading this from external to external range. So we'll see how this trade plays out. Currently there's a little more than 11 minutes left in the New York PM kill zone, and then we'll see if price wants to continue delivery here to the sell side. You can see here on the 1-hour chart, price starting to show some consolidation down here. You can see again on here on the 5-minute chart, this area of consolidation where price is trading within this range. So we'll see if price wants to break out of this range, ideally to the sell side, as I am trading for a sweep of the sell side liquidity resting below this level here, which is the low just before, or this is the low during the New York AM session. So New York AM session liquidity is what I want to target. So going back short, back into the liquidity area where I was able to take profits this morning. So with my overall short bias idea, just seeing all of this price action here, all of this buy side delivery here as pullback opportunity. Same thing here. This price leg here is equivalent to this price leg here on the 1-hour chart. We can see a return here back to sell side delivery, price trading near the 68,750 level. And currently for my history, I took a small position in gold this morning, and it was a loss, but a small position, which wound up being, this is negative $5, and then this was my, or those were the take profits during the New York AM session on Bitcoin, and this was a plus $464 profit. So total for today, I am up $459 here, and currently still sitting on some unrealized BTC right now. So if the current day trade position is able to go to take profit, then that number will increase. My swing trade, I imagine, will take some more time to play out before I'm able to take profit. Maybe Thursday or Friday potentially this week. And for that swing trade position, I'll show you my stop loss and take profit. So my entry on the swing position was 70,826.3, stop loss 72,292.6, and take profit is 59,811.2. And then for this day trade position, my stop loss or my entry here is 69,706.3 with the stop loss at 69,980.9 and take profit at 67,848. So we'll see how these positions play out as price trades forward here. Right now price has set up to the buy side, but we'll see if it fails that signal here on the for the 1 hour here. The previous 1 hour candle low has been rated, the liquidity below that is rated, so sell side liquidity has been rated, so either price will deliver to the buy side or there is further sell side delivery that price will seek out. Ideally it would be this target level that I have below the New York AM low. I have some things I need to take care of, so I'm going to let these trades play out for now. If you'd like to know more, visit us at OnTiltTrading.com. Stay on tilt.